As students, you listen to introduction to bills of exchange. Each and every problem I explained again introduction to the bills of exchange, features, advantages, notes, journal entries for different situations. Later I am explaining the problems. Okay, so problem number today we discuss about problem number 61, renewal of bills. The meaning of renewal of bill is the dry who has to pay the money is unable to pay the money on due date. He approached the trial and asked him to renew the bill with interest and by paying some amounts. Okay, so problem number 6 is renewal of bill. First we go through the problem number 6. On 1st October 2015, A drew bill on B for 500, B drew bill on A for same amount, 500. Both written on each other, okay? Both bills are being for term of 3 months. Both bills are 3 months, okay? Both were discounted with the bank at 6%. So on the due date, B met his bill. B met his bill in the sense B paid the bill amount, which was accepted, which was drawn by A. A, however, notified B of his inability to meet the bill and B therefore had to take it up. So A told that I am unable to pay this amount on due date, so I will dissolve the bill. Bill will be dissolved, okay? So A paid rupees 200 on 3rd January 2016 and accepted another bill drawn on by him at a 2 months date for 306. Total amount is 500. Total amount is 500. So he paid how much amount? 200 part payment. For remaining 300 plus 6 rupees interest, he accepted the new bill. So what B A did is, A accepted a bill drawn by B, B discounted that bill, and on the due date A is unable to pay the bill. So he told that I will pay rupees 200 now, and for the remaining 300 plus 6 rupees interest, 306, I will accept a new bill by taking another more 2 months date term. This acceptance having been met by A on the due date, all journal entries in the books of the parties. So after 2 months, A paid 306 amount to B, settle their dues each other. Right. So I already prepared journal entries and just I will explain this problem. Okay. A draw the bill, bills receivable to B account, 500, and B accepted the bill, A account data to bills payable account. In similar manner, B draw the bill on A, bills receivable account data to A account, 500. Okay, right. B wire received. And A accepted the bill drawn by B account data to bills payable account. B account data to bills payable account, then 500. Now 500 bill is with A, bills receivable, and 500 bill is with B of 500. This is bills receivable of B, this is bills receivable of A. Now both the bills were discounted with the bank. A discounted the bill, A discounted the bill, B discounted the bill. Discount is calculated like this. $500 into 6 by 100, 0.06 into 3 months bill na 3 by 12. Then the amount is 7.2, round figure to 8 rupees. So discount and the net amount received from the bank is 492. So till now it is clear. On the due date, B paid the amount. So A is unable to pay the, B paid the amount. That is bills payable account data to cash account. Bills payable account data to cash account. B honored the bill. And A dishonored the bill. Bills payable, we are cancelling the bills receivable. Okay. Bills payable account data to bank account, B account. This is dishonored. And A has to pay money to bank because A discounted the bill which is accepted by B, discounted the bill which is accepted by A, and on behalf of A, B is paying money to bank. That is A account data to bank account. Okay, right. Now 200 is paid by out of total amount 500 is due by A to B. So in that there is a due of 6 rupees interest. Interest has to paid by B. So interest is lost to, expense are lost to A. That's why interest account data to B account. It is income or gain to B. A account data to interest account. So total 500 plus interest 506. Out of 506, B is accepting a bill for 306 and payment, partial payment of 200. B account data to bills payable account to cash account 500. So in the same manner, B is receiving one bill for 306 and cash amount 200 out of 500 plus 6 rupees interest to 506 from A. Okay, on the due date, A paid the money, bills payable to cash account 306, cash account data to bills receivable account 306. Settled themselves the bill which was due by A to B. Okay, so now problem number 8, 7 you try it by looking at the problem number 6 and other questions, other answers. Okay, now problem number 8, which is also renewal of the bill. Two parts are there. One is honor and one is renewal. On 1st January 2016, 1st January 2016, Anandan draws a bill for 3 months due on Balan. So here it is Anandan draws bill for rupees 2000 on Balan account. Balan accepted the bill, I think. Right. Balan is accepted. So Anandan account data to bills payable account. Bill is accepted. He discounts it with his banker at 6%. Anandan discounted the bill for 6%. Bank account data. Bank account data, discount account data. So 2000 into 6%, 0.06 into how many months? The bill is how many months? 3 months, 3 by 12. So Excel we have to put is equal for all functions. Amount is 30 rupees. Discount 30. Net amount received is 1970. So there is no entry in the books of Balan. No entry. Right. Next, what happened? Next paragraph. Balan met the bill on the due date. Point number A. Bills payable account data to bills receivable account data to cash account data to bills receivable account. Cash account data to bills receivable account. B by R 100 and amount received. Bills payable account data in the books of account data to cash account. Okay, so according to the point A, transactions are over. Okay, bill drawn, discounted, P by P, honored, and amount paid. On due date. Now point number B, we have to discuss. This is A. So what B is telling is, as per B, on the due date, Balan requests Anandan to renew the bill for 2040. Anandan agrees to do so. Right. So 40 rupees is interest. First we have to record for interest. Interest account data. Interest account data to Balan account. Amount is 40. Anandan account is wrong. For him it is income. Okay, so Balan account data to interest account. Here, interest account data to Anandan account. Amount is 40. So new bill was accepted by Balan for 2040. So Anandan is receiving bills receivable account data to Balan account. Amount is 2040. And Anandan account data to bills payable account. Amount is 2040. Okay, fresh bill or new B by R received. Here also new B by P accepted. So maybe after 2 months, For 2 months this one. So maybe after 2 months the bill may be honored. We can write to honor entry or we can leave because you didn't hold anything. Okay. Right. That is problem number 8. So we will look at the problem number 8th problem is over. We'll see the 9th one, what it is exactly. We purchased goods worth of rupees 3,800 on 1st April 2016 from A, I think. And on the same date, accepted a bill, the amount payable after 1 month. 3 days after endorsed, A endorsed the bill to C in payment of his debt. On the maturity, bill was dishonored for non-payment and C got noted to ₹20. 7 days later, A paid the amount to C and 10 days after the dishonor of the bill, B paid ₹2,000 to A and requested him to draw the second bill for the balance plus 50 interest and the amount of interest payable after 1 month. A accepted the proposal and drew the bill on B, which was accepted by B and was duly met on maturity. 2 things are there. One is a endorsement dishonor. Second one is a renewal of the bill. Okay, you can look at the problem number 6, I think. 6. And with the same, you can continue that. And 10, problem number 10. Arul sent his promissory note for 3 months to Anbu, 1,200 on May 2016. Anbu gets it discounted with the bankers at 6% per annum. On the due date, bill is dishonored. The banker pays ₹10 as noting charges. Anbu agrees to accept $250 in cash. 50 for noting charges and interest, and other promissory note for ₹1,000 for 2 months. On the due date, Arul approaches the Anbu against and asks for renewal of the bill for a further period of 3 months. Anbu agrees to the request and provided Arul pays ₹60 as interest in cash. The last bill was met at maturity. There are in this problem, discount is there. So in this problem number 10, first the bill was drawn, bill is discounted, and later drawee dishonor the bill, and Arul, who is the drawer, received $250 cash part payment. In that $250, ₹50 is the interest and noting charges. And number 1 is drawn a fresh bill for 1,000 for 2 months. First bill is 3 months. After 3 months, bill is dishonored, received a part payment of 200, and for the balance 1,000, it was given to and drawn a 2 months bill. On the due date, Arul approaches Anbu again and asks to renew the bill for further period of 3 months. First 3 months bill is dishonored, paid ₹200, 1,000 rupees 2 months bill, and after 2 months again Arul approaches Anbu and asks about could you extend the bill term for one more 3 months. So Anbu agrees. And he charges 60 as interest in cash. and the last bill was met at maturity. Okay, discount is there, renewal 1 is there, renewal 2 is there, later honor. Okay, so first we will do problem number 10. Tenth problem we are doing. Two parties are there. Right. First one is undo, dryer, or dry. Right. Is Arul sends a promissory note means Arul accepted the bill. Undo account data. Bills payable account. Amount is 1200. Right. Bills receivable account data to Arul account. Amount is 1200. And on May 2016, Undo gets it discounted with the bank. When it was discounted, 2016, May 7. Bank account data, discount account data. 2. So we will calculate discount. Bill amount 1200. Rate of interest is 6%. Into bill time period is 3 divided by 12. 18 rupees is the discount amount. Bill amount is 1200. 1088. 1188. 1200. Okay, no entry in the books of Arul. On the due date, the bill is dishonored. Who dishonored the bill? Arul dishonored the bill. So first we will write dishonor of the bill. Bills payable account data to undo account. Amount is 1200. And Arul account data to bank account. Arul account data to bank account. So in this noting charges also they are writing 10 rupees noting charges along with he will pay to bank, that is 1210. Here also we have to write noting charges. Noting charges account. 10 rupees. Total amount is 1210. BYP dishonored. And noting charges also due. BYR dishonored. Amount paid to bank on behalf of dishonored. Amount paid to bank. He is unable to pay the bill amount to bank. That's why we discounted the bill with bank. So it is our responsibility to pay back to bank only. Okay, BYR discounted also over. Discounted dishonored is over. And who agrees to accept 250 in cash. That is 50 rupees 50 for noting charges and interest. So out of 50 rupees, 10 rupees is noting charges. Remaining 40 is interest. So we have to write. For him it is an income. So I will account it to interest account. ₹40. Interest account to undo account. 40 rupees. And he received a cash of rupees 200. New bill and bills receivable account data. Bills receivable, new bill amount is 1000. Cash received is 250. Amount is 1250. New bill is for 2 months. So name is Arul. And then undo account data. To cash account. To bills payable account. 1000. Cash paid 250. And undo due is 1250. Now a fresh bill is there. That bill amount is how much? 1000 for 2 months. On the due date, Arul approaches Anbu again, asks for a renewal of the bill for a further period of 3 months. Anbu agrees to the request and provided Arul pays ₹60 as interest in cash. Again, one more. Okay. one more interest and bill amount. Interest amount is 60 rupees. New bill amount is 1060. It was paid, interest paid in cash. Okay, instead of that we have to write cash account, it had to interest account. And go account, it had to no interest due. Okay, it is paid, amount is paid, 60 rupees is paid. Right, it is clear now. Or will pays rupees 60 as interest in cash. Amount is paid, there is no due at all. So now the new bill is for the same amount, 1000 rupees. Bills receivable account, it had to RL account. $1,000. And unbook account, it to bills payable account to 1000 rupees. New bill for how many months? 3 months it is. For 1200 rupees, we took 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 months time period. The last bill was met at maturity. Okay, relax. Amount paid by cash account, it had to bills receivable account. Your bill honored. Money received, your bill honored. And bills payable account, it to cash account. New BYB honored. Okay, that is the problem number 10. Okay, students. So today we did problem number 8 and 6. Problem number 6, 8 and 10. You please go through once again the video and try to do your own. Video will help you to understand the transactions. Okay. You start your own first. Later, take the help of the video, whether this journal entry is correct or not. For drawing the bill, journal entry is bills receivable account data to draw a account. For accepting the bill, draw a account data to bills payable account. Okay.